Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. So in today's video I'm going to go through how you register for an EORI number in Ireland. So it's European Operator Number. So you can export goods in and out of, say, the EU. So the first part is this is actually the second part of the video. So the first part of the video was registering for customs and excise duty in Ireland. If you haven't already watched that and haven't already done it, go down to the description of this video and I'll link back. You need to do that step first and then come back to this video and then we'll register the second part. Okay, so if you're not 100% sure if you're already registered for customs and excise or not, there's two ways you can check this. So the first way is go up to your revenue record. You can look up just customs and excise, but I'm only after doing it not long ago, so I can click on this and I can see I am now registered for customs and excise duty from today, and I am not registered for EORI enabled. Okay, so the next step will be to go back to My Services. As I said, you need to be registered first for customs and excise. So the second way is just to check directly when you're in here. We're going to go down to Manage Tax Registrations. As I said in the first video, you are also going to need to be the ROS administrator and have access to your tax registrations. So we're going to scroll down and we're going to go to Customs and Excise. So you can see I'm already active. If yours says not registered or is saying register over here, not register EORI, it means you haven't done the first step. So you need to go back and you need to register your Customs and Excise first. Okay, so since I've already that done, I'm going to click register EORI. Can be a little slow. Okay, so the effective registration date. Do you already have an EORI number from another EU member state other than the United Kingdom? I'm not going to tick that. Please select. Just if you don't, you just select your either VAT number, or if you're not a company, or sorry, if you're not VAT registered, you can pick your tax registration number. Okay, and then you need to click consent to publish, and then go add to your requests. So you can see up here now it's added to my requests. It has my number, so that'll be my new EORI number. You can use that on declarations. So if you're buying stuff from China places and you want to give them your EORI number, that will be it. So I'm going to click submit. Usually pretty quick. On some occasions it mightn't be. So here it's saying EORI number, so I can see it. I know it. I probably will hide these out of the videos because I don't want everyone to know. So I'm going to click sign and submit. Then you need to enter your password, which sometimes is right and sometimes it's not. So I'm going to re-enter it again. Sign and submit. And there we go. So it says I'm already all good. So status is success. So if we go back here, go to register revenue record. If I just refresh that. So it's not in yet. Okay, well, if we give it a couple of minutes, we should be able to see, and we should be registered for our EORI number. So we should get a message. Might take a little bit of time, but here we go. So we can see the details. This is our notification that I'm registered, and down here, which will be hidden in the video, it shows my EORI number, which I find very difficult to say for some reason in this video. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Okay, thanks for watching everyone.